Hey, John.
Connie, what's going on? We're here to talk about our new vehicle that we got.
Wondering what we should do with our YouTube channel.
We no longer own an Itsy van, which is what YouTube is named after.
Right. So after our last video, our last camping weekend, we decided that Itsy was not gonna
cut it for our Florida excursion
for 6 months. Being in that little van, the two of us with the dog.
No AC, no bathroom, can't stand up in it.
We just thought it would be too much. So that week, actually, we found a Roadtrek online, gave them an offer, put a deposit down, and the next week we bought it.
Connie spent the first night in it last night with the grandkid.
Yep, I drove it into town. I had a wedding to go to, and when I got back to my son's house, me and little Isla slept in the van.
You think you want to live in a van when you grow up?
We found out exactly it's as comfortable as it looks.
It's pretty comfortable. So it's mid-September. We're both working at the campground. So we have another month to wrap this up.
Yep. We'll be out here and on the road, sleeping in driveways or down by the river.
Want to hang out in Minnesota. And then we're going to hit it. We're going to go down the Mississippi. We may
Arkansas,
stop. Yeah,
we stop in St. Louis.
We might stop in St. Louis, depending on the weather. St. Louis, ride our bikes, go to the Arch, head down to Arkansas, go to Tennessee, Georgia, South Carolina, make our way down to Florida, St. Augustine, the Panhandle, and then eventually head down to Fort Myers area and do our camp host job that we have. So that's what's going on. But we'll be doing it in a Roadtrek with a little more room, a little more storage. I think we're gonna
stay tuned. Keep watching our videos.
I think we're gonna continue to make videos so our friends and family can
follow us on this journey.
Yep, follow us on the journey. We'll be gone for 6 months and then back up to Minnesota in the spring.
This campground opens again in April.
Yep. So that's what's going on. Itsy, some young, nice kid from Minneapolis bought the van and super excited, and he's gonna move into it and take it to California and go hiking.
Yep.
So that's great.
It's great. Somebody keeps on driving it.
Yep. So we're happy about that, and we're happy to get on to the next adventure.